Hey guys, thought I'd make a quick video about the Pacesetter header. Got one right here. Pacesetter header. Let me show you. This is the stainless steel one. So you really can't be sleeping on some posts that are posted in the Facebook group, because in the group someone posted about new Level Motorsports, where to get some of these, and you know, as hard as they are to come by, I just decided, hey, you know what, if you see one available, you better jump on it. So I jumped on it maybe Tuesday, and it was here Friday. So let's open the box. All right, let's get in the box. Just do a little unboxing. I know you've all seen one before, but let's just see if it's all legit. Send nothing back. Looking good so far. That's where the collector was. Yep, legit. This one is stainless. And I know some people are going to say it's going to turn, but the turning colors is pretty cool to me. But I think this one's going to go on my red truck, and I may take the one on the red truck and put on the project truck, the new project truck. But yeah, there it is. So basically, if anything ever comes up and you're just sitting on the fence thinking, I don't want to order it right now, but when things are hard to get, you better jump on it.